What got me into estate planning was some problems that happened in my family dealing with lawyers and estate planning. My grandfather was of Polish descent, was Coast Guard during World War II and part of the Greatest Generation. My grandparents went to a lawyer and signed some trust documents thinking their assets were protected. The second lawyer that looked at that trust said, "I have bad news for you. That trust that you created with the first lawyer, all that time, all that money, all that effort, unfortunately that lawyer wrote the wrong kind of trust for you." That was a very big lesson for me. Everyone I talk to or I sit across the room from, I view as my grandparents, and I want to make sure that they get the kind of planning they want and deserve. We consider estate planning a two-act play. Act number one is what happens to your assets if you're alive but disabled. Act two is where do your assets go after your death. So often when we sit down with clients, they focus a lot on act two of the play. Our estate planning focuses on both acts of the play. Not just where your stuff goes, but who is going to manage your assets upon your disability. Some people don't like dealing with the thought of their own mortality. Estate planning is something that people have to do. It's not something that they want to do. Our job is to make it as easy and simple of a process as possible. You've worked your entire life in order to accumulate your assets. At Chesapeake Wills and Trusts, we can help you protect your home and life savings.